All right, hey everybody. So I wanted to show you how to submit assignments in Schoology specifically for our math assignments. So this week is the same. It's going to be the same assignment as last week. I just split the assignments up day to day to make it a little more manageable. So if you already did the assignments, if you already did the April 13th through the 17th, that's the exact same thing for this week. So if you already did that, I'd like you to work in iExcel. Anything in the M section of grade 5 in iExcel will be just fine. You can also go into the bridges and do the math a day. You can help bake something. Anything to do with math this week is just fine if you already did the assignments this week. But let me show you how to submit if you have not submitted yet. So I'm going to go into this week's folder, April 20th through the 24th. And let's say I am ready to work and submit through lesson 2. So I'm going to go to lesson 2 and I want to see the lesson. So I can click the PDF and download it, or I can view the lesson in another tab. This is all about fractions of whole numbers. I'm just going to view it in another tab because I'm going to write this on notebook paper. So here's the assignment. Every assignment this week is 2 pages, and it should take you maybe 30 minutes or so, I'm guessing. Now, if any of these problems are too hard or if you've forgotten how to do anything, that's okay. Skip it for now. Try your best. But if it seems a little too difficult, you're like, I just don't remember how to do this, we can look at it later and I can help you. You can Google it. You can try to figure out how to work on it. Um, but it's okay if you can't get to everything yet. But here's the assignment. So I'm looking at the assignment. I'm writing all my answers down. Okay. Now I'm ready to submit my work. So I'm going to go back to lesson 2. I'm going to go back to Schoology. And over here, I have my submit assignment. So on every lesson, every assignment, you'll have the submit assignment button. So I'm going to click that. Okay, so now it pops up this option. So here's how we submit our assignment. I think this button might be the easiest way to do it. So this is the audio and video recording button. I'm going to come back to this in a second. Another option, which is there's a couple ways you can do it. So if I click this file, it'll bring up my computer files. And if you're able to scan, or maybe if you have an iPad or a phone or something, and you can take a picture of your assignment, you can upload that to your computer, then send it over through Schoology. That's totally fine too. So it's just a picture. You're just sending the picture over. That's fine too. And you can just submit it through the file. But the audio recording, audio video, I want to show you what that looks like. So when you click the audio video, you get yourself. So be ready once you click that, because then you're going to push start recording and it'll record your video. And then once it starts recording, then you show Mr. Mac your work. And please make sure you keep it still, unlike Mr. Mac is right now, so I can see it. And then I can give you feedback if needed, okay? So show me your work, and maybe if it's on 2 pages, you're thinking, here we go, Mr. Mac, here's my second page. You know, I had some questions on number 2. I wasn't really sure. So that's how you do that. Make sure it's still, you're not moving all. Here's my assignment. I don't want you to really see it, Mr. Mac. Okay, so keep it still if you're going to do it this way. Um, So that's a great choice, I think, and nobody else will see that but me, and I can give you feedback from there. So it is just between you and me once you submit that. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here. So once you're ready to submit, you just hit the submit button, and it goes right to me, and then I'm able to look at it and view it. And if there's any problems with it, then I'll be able to just let you know. I'll send you a personal comment within Schoology to let you know I didn't get that, or our next Zoom meeting, I can let you know that as well. So that's it. So that's how we submit our lessons. And